we just got another 67 Shelby GT500.
It's real, you know, barn find. Hey guys, so we just started our trip. I'm heading down to Tennessee in order to pick up a 1967 Shelby GT500.
Hello viewers and welcome back to another No Reserve Classics video. Today we have a very special day because we are getting a barn find. Now, this barn find is very rare and it has amazing history. We'll get into the history shortly, but we have somebody coming in down the driveway right now. Hello, Austin.
What's up, Misa?
Welcome back. Sounds like you had a pretty long drive.
Yeah, it was long.
Well, I'm pretty sure no matter how long the drive was, whatever's in here is very much worth it.
I think so. You want to take a look?
Yeah, of course.
I gotta grab the keys real quick.
Sure thing. As you can see, normally we trailer all of our cars in this right here, but we have something very special. We're gonna be doing a restoration video on it. And it's definitely gonna be one of our most entertaining videos out here because of what's in store back here. Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, she's gorgeous.
Holy smokes. So, could you tell us a little bit of the history about this car real quick?
History.
I'm guessing there's a lot then.
I think it's a 2-owner car total. I believe the owners that, or the people we just got the car from, they owned the car. Originally, one of their friends, I think it was the wife's friend, owned the car first. She ended up getting it from them. They've had this car in their garage since 1991, and it hasn't moved.
Wow.
So that car was in that garage before I was born, before you were born. So I mean, you know, it's a real, you know, barn find. Get in the car and ride the brakes.
Copy that.
Sure you want your camera there?
Yeah, just casually backing into a $1,000 camera.
All done it at some point. $20,000 car.
Ready.
Keep going. Keep going. For those of you who don't know, this car doesn't run.
I think they might have been able to tell by it rolling out of the That's true.
Yeah, you gotta narrate the story.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Get it, Austin Powers. You guys are still here watching this? Why don't you watch something else like our other videos? We finally got the 67 Shelby in. Wow, this thing looks beautiful. But let's see if there's anything under the hood. Oh, wait. Is there a secret way of opening it? Aha, there was.
You just hit the pin.
Oh yeah. Is that the 428 Police Interceptor motor?
It is.
So guys, this is literally the exact same car like Brittany over there. This is, I guess you could call it a Brittany Sylvan because it's the exact same car.
It might be a little bit more special, but we got to do some more investigation to find out.
Well, I definitely know it's not a task of Ford, but there's definitely something about this car that screams a one-off kind of car. So there you guys have it. We just got another 67 Shelby GT500. Very similar to our Brittany, if you guys are familiar with our YouTube channel. This car is gonna go through a full restoration. Everything picture perfect and meticulous. So be sure to stick around for the restoration Shelby GT500 series.